Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome to today's class where I will show you 10 yoga asanas to target the different glands in our body that produce hormones. These poses are going to stimulate the glands to function optimally and enhance our overall well-being. The first asana that we're going to be doing is Viprita Karni. This gentle inversion stimulates the pineal gland, which produces melatonin, which is responsible for better sleep and relaxation. Come to lie down on your back. Bend your knees and bring both your feet towards the ceiling. If you need to, you can bring your hands beneath your seat and rest here. Another way of doing this is keeping your legs supported against the wall. You can close your eyes. Focus on your breath. Stay here. Come out of the pose, release your hands, bend your knees. You can turn to the side and come up, or you can rock forward. The second asana is Paschimottanasana, which stimulates the pituitary gland, which is the master hormone regulator. It's also responsible for producing the growth hormone. Raise both your hands up towards the ceiling. As you breathe out, bring your hands next to you. If you're a beginner, remember you're trying to keep your back straight, belly towards your thigh. Gaze forward. Remember, heels are engaged, toes are pointing towards the ceiling. One more inhalation. As you exhale, try and get deeper into the pose. If you can hold your ankle. Those of you who can hold your toes, you can hold your toes. One more inhalation, full exhalation. The next time you breathe out and you know you can't go any further, then drop your chin to chest, forehead in the direction of your knee. Stay here for about 15 seconds and slowly move up to a minute. Inhale, slowly come up. To enhance the thyroid hormone production, which is responsible for metabolism, Sarvangasana is very helpful. Come to lie on your back. Raise both your legs off. Whenever you're ready, straighten. Try to bring your chest in the direction of your chin. Your gaze is up towards the ceiling. When you come out, bend, slowly roll forward. For the adrenal glands, which produces hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, asanas like Adho Mukha Svanasana, where you're keeping your legs wide, ears in line with your arms, trying to bring the crown of the head towards the mat. Stay here. Option 1, knees are straight or they can stay slightly bent, or sometimes our heels may not touch. That's also completely fine. Try and keep your knees bent, belly towards your thigh. Inhale and exhale. This helps to reduce stress and improve adrenal health. To stimulate the pancreas, which is responsible for insulin production, which controls blood sugar levels in our body, Dhanurasana is very effective. Come to lie on your belly. Grab hold of your ankle. Take a deep breath in. Inhale, come up. Then start pushing your legs towards the wall behind you. You can initially keep your legs wide open. Stay here. Breathe in and breathe out. Release. Press your hands onto the mat. Just a counter stretch in Balasana. The thymus gland is responsible for immune function, and asanas like Ustrasana, which open the chest, stimulate this gland. Come on to your knees. Take a deep breath in. Completely exhale. Now as you breathe in, reach both your hands up towards the ceiling. And as you breathe out, bring it either at your seat. Like imagine you have pockets here and you're placing your hands there. Option 1 is here. Open the chest. Your gaze is where the wall meets the ceiling. Remember, you're creating a lot of length in your rib cage. Again, inhale. Exhale. And if you think you can go further, hands come to rest behind your thighs. And if you can do the full expression of the pose, take your right hand, bring it towards your right heel, left hand towards your left heel, push your seat over your knees and look back. Stay here. to begin with for about 15 seconds and slowly work up to a minute. Fold forward. Bring your forehead towards the earth. Try and do a counter pose when you're doing extreme back bends. For men, Supta Baddha Kona Asana stimulates the testis, which is responsible for producing testosterone hormone as well as improving the reproductive health. In women, Malasana can enhance ovarian function, aiding in regulating your menstrual cycle as well as balancing your hormones. Feet hip width apart. Press your elbows just below your knees. Try and keep your tailbone straight. Inhale and exhale. Try and drop your tailbone towards the earth. For some of us, our heels may be here. That's completely okay. You can always place a rolled towel and rest your heel on it. As long as it's not hanging in the air, it's fine. Sit nice and tall. Spine is straight. Inhale and exhale. For the hypothalamus gland that controls the release of hormones, asanas like Balasana can be very effective. Come to sit in Vajrasana and bring your belly to rest on your thigh. Hands come to rest next to your feet. Drop your chin to chest, forehead on the mat. And you can also just roll your shoulders, collapse your shoulders and relax. Here, if it is hard and your thigh is coming in the way of your abdomen or your chest, open your knees wide. Hands can relax here. Drop your chin, drop your cheek to either side. For the parathyroid gland, which regulates calcium levels, asanas like Halasana can stimulate and enhance bone health. Again, come to lying on your back. Knees come towards your thigh. You can go all the way up to Sarvangasana. And then, remember that you do some warm-up and stretches. And then go into bringing your toes behind your head. Take a deep breath in. Completely breathe out. Remember, in none of these asanas, there is any pain. Some amount of discomfort is natural, but any sharp shooting pain, tingling or numbness, then just come out of your pose. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this class was helpful. If you have any other questions or feedback, please write to me in the comments below. If you found this class valuable, please like and share. Namaste.